Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Wednesday. I hope everyone is doing great. It's still January, guys, and you know what? From now on, actually, there is going to be some changes. On the things that I'm selling, because I sell signals, I sell system indicator, the robot, and the other things. So the changes is going to be like this for everyone who subscribed on this channel. I hope you can listen that again. Everyone who subscribed to this channel, you can get everything for $20. Let's say for mentorship, for the whole year, it's no longer going to be like 6 months. Let's just say once you pay today, you're going to get that for the whole year, 12 months straight until December. When you buy signal systems, just yours forever. When you buy signal system, oh, I already talked about that, and maybe the robot, but I'm not including the robot at the moment. But whatever that you want is mentorship, is $20 the whole year. Signal system, when I say signal system, I'm talking about the indicator, which is very, very smart, by the way. It's also $20, and my VIP signals are just $20, and for the whole year. So it's no longer going to be like monthly or 6 months. So everything's just $20 that you can get from me. So if maybe, because those things are only for the members, only for everyone who subscribed on the YouTube. So if you buy, let me know that you subscribed, then you will get that discount, because everything now, my signals are $100. The signal system, it was on sale, on special, for only $30. Now it's going back for $100. But if you subscribed, you will get that for only $20. Only $20. Let me know on the comment section, guys. I think everyone can have, we can start this year on a good note, guys. Let's try to help each other. The best thing that we can do is let's eat together. Let's eat together, because those systems, they can really assist you. Even if you are a pro trader, but they can still show you something maybe that you were not aware of. So let's go back on our daily analysis. Remember, don't forget, if you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on German 30. The market yesterday on NASDAQ was just going crazy. Why? There was some news saying that there were COVID-19 in the US. They report almost a million number. So that's crazy. That is very high. So that's why we saw NASDAQ going down. But I was surprised because US30 was just pushing up. US30 was just pushing up. I won't lie on that one. I took a loss on that one. I tried to trade, but I just took a small loss. Then I was out, and I was out for the whole day. So even today, I don't think maybe I'll be in the market. I'll just wait for the market to settle. Why? Because I only trade in NASDAQ, you see. So don't forget, if maybe you still want that, you check my description, guys. I'll also include my contacts here so that you can see whatever that's really going on. If you want to contact me, I will also left the contacts here. But the best thing that you can do, check my description. Check my description, or check on my channel. There is a contact, a video that I just done that video for only contacts. If you want to contact me on the email, whatever, you will find that in there. So on German 30 here, let's go on a daily time frame, because we just need to see what's really going on. But I think even on 4-hour time frame, you can see what's really going on. But I just want to show you what it's really going on daily time frame. Daily. So you see what's really happening here. The market just respected this area, and it's crazy because that is quite clear. Just look at that. Just look at that. The market just respected this area, and it's quite easy and straightforward. Do you see that? The market every time comes around this area, respected this area. Even if we have some fake breakouts, but the overall picture is the market did push up. Do you see that? So on top here, I see that when we try to draw this type of a resistance, it shows that every time the market touch this resistance, everything just pushed lower, and we see this is just a diagonal resistance. So it means even this one might reach this area, and maybe we might see a push to the bottom. So yeah, something like that might happen, or maybe we'll see the market breaking this resistance and pushing up, guys. So I need to make these videos very short. Why? Because for you to get like extra information, which I don't want to make these videos very long, it's where you can just talk to me, just WhatsApp. Sorry, you can just WhatsApp or left on the comment section. You can say whatever that maybe you don't understand. Maybe I can try to help you on that. You see. So let's go to the next one. I think maybe you understand whatever that I say here. It might reach here, respect this resistance and push lower, or maybe it might push up. Something like that. Easy as that. You see, you don't have to complicate your trading career, guys. This is a very difficult business to be in, and once you are in this business, make sure that you make it as simple as possible. So now we are on US oil, guys. We are on US oil. So what do we see on US oil? This is a daily time frame. Obviously we see that obviously we have this a very strong support area, but at the moment the market is trying to push up. We see that the market is trying to push up, but around this area, which we are still on a daily time frame, we have something here. Do you see that? Something like a resistance, and we see that the market is trying to reject from that area. So but it seems like the market is going to break that and push higher. So the best thing that we can do is let's go closer and see what we can get from there. 4 hour time frame, let's make this auto. So on a 4 hour time frame, you can see, maybe you can see that. So on a 4 hour time frame, we see that before we had this resistance here. Do you see that the market was just respecting this area, and after we had a breakout, some small retest, the other one, then the market started pushing higher. But when the market reaches this area, you see that the market perfectly respected this area, and we also see that at the moment. So it means the market is really respecting this resistance here. So what we can do is we can draw maybe something like this as a trend line, because we see the market bouncing back from there, and I think the market is going to come back around that area. So let's try to draw that. We can try to draw that. We can remove these other ones here if you think maybe they messing your chart up, but I think they're going to be a very good for you to see what's really happening in the market. So this is what is happening at the moment. I hope you see this. I hope you can see that. What's happening is the market respected this several times, and we think maybe the market might come here again, here again before. But another way we can just say this is actually a wedge. Do you see that? So the market is starting to consolidate around this wedge. Maybe we'll see the push to the upside, or maybe a breakout here, and maybe we'll see the market going to the lower side. I hope you understand that, and I hope you see that, right? So yeah, I think without wasting your time, I really like to make these videos very long. Sorry, very short. I don't want them to be like very long, guys. Let's go to the next one. Which is the next one here? We really killed this one, guys. I'm happy because this is our first very straightforward bullish momentum. You can see this is what I've sent. Actually, this was a buy pending order. The time the market was just going down, look what happened. Let me remove this. Look what happened. And by the way, to join the signals is just only $20. So just look what happened. I sent the signal around this area. The time the market was going down, I'm talking on a 4 hour time frame. So look what happened after. The market just shot up. The market just shot up non-stop. and even now we are still on that bullish. Something that only failed us yesterday, it's only NASDAQ did go on the opposite direction, but I'm happy because on the other group it was just a pending order and we did not touch that pending order. On the pro, that was a just straight buy. We got in a very small profit, but later when the market go crazy, we were in that negative. So what do we see on on gold? Gold is actually on a very nice uptrend, even though we had something like a support area here, but this thing is back on that support area. Do you see this area? You see this area? So the market came back again here. So yesterday I was looking at this and say, you know what, I should take this as a bullish momentum and I will just take that. See what happened? The market really respected that and we killed it. So what can you do at the moment if you missed the trade? I think at the moment just relax, don't do anything. Let's try to get the resistance. Maybe let's try to draw this resistance. Maybe we'll see that, even though I think this thing is at the center at the moment. So I think this thing might push up to this level here around 1840 before maybe we can see another sell-off. But what I know is it won't just go straight up, it will just create the higher lows and the higher highs, something like that. So it might take its time to reach that level, right? But I think everything's quite clear, unless if maybe the market is going to come back again here, then we will say now it's time to sell. I hope you understand that, guys. I hope you understand that. So let's move to the next one. Yes, we are very fast because I understand that time is money. So time is money, guys. We don't need to waste anyone's time. So now we are on NASDAQ, guys. We have so many levels. Sometimes they will just end up confusing every one of us. So let me try to clear them because some of them, they are now like seriously useless. So what do we see? What do we see here? I think some of these things, some of them, the market won't reach here anytime soon. So let me just clear everything. So now we left with our naked chart like this, but we no longer focus on whatever that we see here. We are here at the moment because this is a 4-hour time frame, which means it's a bigger time frame also. So once we are here, what do we see? I see that we had a resistance, and you know what, it's crazy because the market really respected that area and it's been doing that for some time now. You can see from this area the market respected this area. Even yesterday the market did respect this area here. Then if you draw something like this, you will see that the market is actually going lower. The market is actually going lower, but this one this candlestick here, it's actually crazy, guys. It's actually crazy. And it's funny because I missed this one here because I used a bit smaller time frame. I thought maybe we had a breakout. Then when I took that buy, the market just went crazy, and yeah, we lost. And you know what I like? You know what I love about, or what I like about the market? When you understand these things, guys, losing is no longer an issue. An issue is what went wrong. What went wrong? Why did you thought maybe that is going to be a buy? Then we go and identify that, because this resistance was already identified. So why did we buy? Let's go to a bit smaller time frame, because you should understand why we buy, why we sell, or why we do something like that. But before we go there, I see this area might be our next support area. This might be our next support area. If you still remember this before, I said the market is still going to search for its move. So now NASDAQ tried to do that also. It means this might be another new structure that we're going to get this year and starting from this month, right? So let's try this on a smaller time frame. Let's see. Now it's a 4-hour time frame. Let's go on a 2-hour time frame. Oh, on a 2-hour time frame, on a 2-hour time frame, I think it's still the same, because we had something like this actually. we had something like this. That's why we thought maybe the market was, do you see this? I hope you see this. Before I identify this, because this happened yesterday, so everything here, I thought maybe the market was just going to the lower side. And since there is a let me push this, I think, you see, yeah, now, so you see everything was just heading lower. Now we had a breakout here. So what we thought was maybe the market was just going to come back, respect this area, as few candlestick did respect that area. Then what did we thought? We thought maybe the market was going to do what? To respect this area and push up. Guess what? The market went crazy. The market really went crazy. And I don't blame ourselves, because mostly we're going to win this type of moves. But if you lost, it's fine. Don't be afraid of losing, guys. Even if you are a professional trader, they know that losing is there. Even if you ask billionaires, guys, like Warren Buffett and the other ones, or Soros, those big guys who trade, those used to trade, obviously, they lost like billions and they also made billions. So it's part of the game, as long as you understand why did you lose. We lost because this was a breakout, retest, once, because here I'm on a 2-hour time frame. Once we thought the market was going to push up, then the market never pushed up and the market just went lower. But on this downtrend again, do you see this downtrend? The market it's respecting this area. Do you see that? The market is respecting this resistance. So it might be possible that the market might start to do what? To come respect this area before pushing up, something like that. But another thing is, maybe the market is creating something like this again, which maybe we did not see. You see this? I start to see that also. Something like that. It's also something like that, which is a slightly downtrend on the top, but on the bottom you can see this thing is creating those lows. This is just going lower and lower. You can see the market is creating these lows. It means if you try to draw the lines, you will see that those they don't happen on the same level. It means it's dropping slowly, but on the top it keeps that same momentum. So I hope you understand that. It means this level is way too stronger. But once we break that area, I think the market is going to go crazy up. I hope you understand that. So I think I spent much time on NASDAQ. I hope you understand. But for those who want to buy, I think this area later on, not now, I think this area might create a very nice support. The market might come back again, respect this area before we see another push, or maybe we might see another sell-off. I hope you understand that. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, like, share with your friends. Don't forget that everything, I think I'm not going to change the price for the whole year, but for only everyone who subscribed on my YouTube, everything's going to be $20. Everything's going to be $20. The reason why am I doing that? I want us to eat. We should eat together. Not only me, but everyone should eat, guys. So I hope you understand that, especially when this trading is difficult. So everyone should have that information. So I think I don't have US30, or I already talked about US30. I'm not so sure. Or let me add what happened? Did I talk about US30? No, but I think this thing is keeping US30. Okay, so on US30, let's go on a daily time frame first before we see what's really happening. Let's see that. This is crazy because mostly NASDAQ and US30, they correlate positively. Everything was just positive on I mean, they go along. When the other one is going up, they all doing the same thing. But yesterday, guys, they were like, it was crazy. The other one was going up and the other one was going down. But it always happens. It always happens. It's not like it's the first time we see that. So that we should remind you that, oh, these things, They are not only, it's not like one instrument. Everything, they have their own type of movement and their own behavior. So so what's really happening at the moment on US30? I think it's quite simple. I think it's quite simple. We can both see that this thing is on an uptrend. You can see that. So the market is just pushing up, pushing up. But at the top here, you can see that the market is also creating this resistant line. And I think the market, once the market reaches this area, we might see a slight push, as we saw around this area, around this area, around this area. You see, so that can also happen, unless if maybe the market is going to come here, break this area and push up. That might also happen, guys. That might also happen. So even on NASDAQ, I expect that to happen, obviously. It's not like it's going to happen only on US30. It's just that it's the first week. Obviously, the market will just go crazy, but we expect the market to push a little bit higher. So let's use a 2-hour time frame so that we can see what's really happening. So on a 2-hour time frame, guys, I just want to show you what's really happening. On a 2-hour time frame, we still have this bullish momentum. You can see that. But if we try to connect this here, do you see this? Do you see this area? Do you see? You can even connect it from this area. You see we had this resistance for some time. Guess what? We had a breakout. Then the market came there several times, let's say 3 times or 2 times. Then now the market is pushing up. So it means that is now our support area. This is our support area. If you want to buy, wait for it to come around this area before you say the market is going to go up. But since we are already very, very close to our highest resistance here, we expect the market to come here and push lower. I hope you understand that, and I hope this doesn't confuse you at all. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Please, guys, don't forget that we have a $20 special for everything. Just let me know if you want to join for mentorship, signal system, VIP signals, all those things, just for you, only $20. No limited time, only for 12 months. Actually, it's annual. It's not like 6 months or 3 months. Hope you understand that. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.